Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak juicy and tender. First, select a quality cut like a ribeye or New York strip for the best results. Allow your steak to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This ensures even cooking throughout. Finally, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper right before it goes into the pan. These initial steps are crucial for a delicious outcome. Now let's achieve that perfect crust. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side until a deep brown crust forms. For the last minute of cooking, add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme. Baste the steak continuously for incredible flavor. Knowing when your steak is done is key. Use an instant treated meat thermometer. For a medium rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the steak from the heat a few degrees before your target, as it will continue to cook while resting. This resting period, lasting 5 to 10 minutes, is absolutely essential. It allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, the way you slice your steak significantly impacts its tenderness. Always slice against the grain. This means cutting perpendicular to the direction of the muscle fibers. Slicing against the grain shortens these fibers, making the steak much easier to chew and enjoy. Once sliced, serve your perfectly juicy and tender steak immediately. Pair it with your favorite side dishes for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.